Are you tired of mediocre camera performance, feeling like you're not quite capturing the stunning images you envision? Can a single camera really change your photography game, elevating your skills and taking your art to the next level? I'm about to show you a camera that's a total game changer, one that has left me impressed and eager to share its capabilities with you. This is the Sony Alpha 7 IV, a top-notch camera designed for professional photographers who demand the best, and it solves the problem of capturing stunning, high-quality images with ease, making it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about photography. Let's break down the impressive specs of this camera, and I have to say, it's a real treat. It features a 33MP sensor, which is huge, and it means you get incredibly detailed images, with a level of clarity that's hard to match. The 8X Bions XR is a powerful processor that enables fast and efficient image processing, allowing you to take multiple shots in quick succession without any lag or delay. You also get 4K 60p video recording, which is amazing for capturing smooth and crisp footage, perfect for documentary-style videos, vlogs, or even just recording precious moments with family and friends. Real-time IAF is a fantastic feature that allows for precise and fast autofocus, ensuring that your subjects are always in sharp focus, even when they're moving. The 10-bit 4:2:2 color profile provides a wide range of colors, making your images look more natural and vivid, with a depth and richness that's hard to achieve with other cameras. And with S-Cinetone, you get a beautiful, cinematic color grade that enhances your footage, giving it a professional, high-end look that's sure to impress. Imagine using this camera in your daily life, capturing stunning portraits with real-time IAF, and recording breathtaking 4K 60p videos of a sunset, or a wedding, or a once-in-a-lifetime event. You're at a wedding, and you need to capture the perfect shot of the bride walking down the aisle, or you're on a hike, and you want to record the stunning scenery. With the camera's advanced features and impressive image quality, you'll be able to preserve those memories in a way that's both beautiful and lasting. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves taking pictures, this camera is sure to delight, with its ease of use, versatility, and exceptional performance. In my honest opinion, this camera is a beast, and it's definitely worth the investment, especially if you're serious about photography or videography. The best things about it are the incredible image quality, fast autofocus, and excellent video recording capabilities, which make it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications, from portrait photography to documentary filmmaking. However, it's not perfect, and some may find it a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth every penny. I give it a solid 9 out of 10, and I'm confident that you'll love it just as much as I do. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing camera, check out the link in the description below, where you can find more detailed specs, reviews, and sample images. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth product reviews and tutorials on how to get the most out of your camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, where I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and insights on photography and videography.